Hello and welcome. I'm Ruchi Bharani and in today's episode we're going to make Spinach Raita. This is one of the many variations of Raita. Raita is basically a curd-based condiment which completes an Indian meal. It's nice and chilled and refreshing. So let's take a look at the ingredients. 20 to 25 leaves of spinach, 1 cup curd, half a teaspoon cumin seed powder, salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger chili paste. We're just going to steam the spinach for like 3 to 4 minutes. So for that I have a bowl full of water and a sieve on top with a lid. Till the water is boiling, let's chop up the spinach leaves. Let's make a bundle of some leaves. Let's cut it into half. Let's get them together. The water is boiling, so let's add the spinach and steam them for just 3 to 4 minutes. I want them half cooked. The lid might be hot, so let's just use a pair of tongs. And my water is nice and boiling. Just spread the spinach leaves. Let's check on the spinach. Okay, they are ready. So let's turn off the flame and pick this up and keep it aside. Let it cool down for at least 3-4 minutes. While the spinach is cooling, let's mix all the other ingredients into the curd. Nice and chilled curd, 1 cup. Cumin seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. And ginger chili paste. If you don't have ginger chili paste, you can always use finely chopped green chilies. I'll just use the beater and mix this well. The best part of steaming the spinach instead of boiling it is we don't lose out on any of the nutrients. So let's add the spinach. Plant spinach. Let's just mix this. And my raita is ready to plate. Let's sprinkle some cumin seed powder for garnish. And a coriander leaf just for garnishing. Refrigerate the raita till you want to serve it. Do try it at home, such a simple and quick recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Take care. Bye-bye.